Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Paul. Welcome to DexFxMarkets.com. And today is Wednesday, the 22nd of July, 2020. Okay, let's move over to the DPC, Data Processing Center, for our daily results. Okay, best assets. Let's have a look. Asset results for the last 24 hours for the dailies. Everything is moving along nicely. The Euro USD a little bit slack in the last 24 hours, but it's moving on. As we can see here, for the last 7 days, these statistics are looking absolutely superb. And for the month, these figures just can't be faulted. In fact, the lowest statistic I think here is 92%, and that's the AUD USD. Oh, and just for those that have never been to our data processing center, this is just part of the data processing center, which is just where we take all these statistics that we have here and just make it easier for you. We just put them all together here. There's a lot more to it than that, but that's on the inside. Okay, I digress. Moving on. Let's look at the 1 hour TNT, and TNT stands for Trend, Negate and Trade for those that don't know. Last 24 hours, everything's looking good, everything's moving on. The Great British Pound JPY has yet to fire off. As we say, we don't just throw in random numbers to make it fill in the blanks, if you like, to make it look good. We believe in honesty and integrity. And so we'll leave it blank if it's not fired. Okay, for the week, that's the last 7 days. Again, everything is moving along nicely. Absolutely superb. For the month, again, these figures can't be faulted. The low statistic we have is 83.7, and that's for USD JPY. But to be honest, these numbers are absolutely smashing it. Okay, moving on to the 2 hour TNT. Again, Trend, Negate and Trade. If you don't know what that means, pop inside and have a look. Okay, we've got 3 that have yet to fire off in the last 24 hours. Everything else at 100%. And for the week, looking good. Great British Pound, JPY, again, is a bit slack. It's 66.7. I'm sure that'll pick up for the month, as it has done here. So for the last 30 days, everything is moving along quite nicely. There's certainly a few here I'd like to get into. Okay, moving on to the 5-minute results. Whoa, dear. And so far today, the 5-minute results, we've had 118 signals fire off. For those of you that are into the 5 minutes. And looking here, looking very good indeed. Lowest statistic is the USD JPY, and that's at 84.6. That's for the last 24 hours. For the last week, everything is superb, above 90%. And again, for the month, everything is above 90%. Absolutely superb. Loving these figures. Okay, so here we are back at our home page. For those of you that have stumbled across this video and would like more information about Dex Fx Markets, we'd like it very much indeed if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that way we can keep you up to date with everything that's happening at Dex. And believe you me, there's a lot happening at DexFxMarkets.com. I'll just show you quickly. I know the other day I popped into Dex Atomic. I want to show you the TNT signals. Quickly popping in here. This is part of the data processing center. Gives us our wins and our losses. Here we have all our training for everything you need. And each one of these is broken down, obviously, into a series. So you have absolutely everything here. Looking at the charts, look how smooth and clean these are. There's only 2 indicators on here that you actually need, and these are what is smashing it for everybody that's using them, to be honest, once you've been through the training, of course. And of course, we have on here our news as well. And this is the daily news. So for you news hands, Oh, today's actually looking like a very good day. It's only one block. I might always give a miss on trading, but look at that. Superb day for trading today. Right, okay, I digress. Move back to the home page. Well, this is Paul signing off for now. Oh, before I do, just to give you an idea, I nearly forgot our regular pricing. Everything's a bit special at the moment in our pricing, as you can see. But we have what we call the green room. We have the Dex Atomic, and that's a giveaway price at $47 a month. Absolutely superb. People are smashing it with this. The Dex Atomic series, you get the 1 and 2 hour trades, charts, you have a consults, all the training, you have chat room help, access to all our webinars, and of course down here, if you click on here, you can speak to one of our traders live. Absolutely superb. But then the best deal that we have for the green room, for $157 a month, we give you all the Nadex signals. The Xedan bot, this is a superb piece of equipment, this bot, and people are joining just for that. However, we prefer it if you trade manually because we get better results when trading manually. Okay, certainly with our Dex Atomic, you get the whole video series, you get the full Dex Atomic, the full Dex TNT, you get the full Trading View Dex Atomic. Now the Trading View Dex Atomic is, we have a lot of traders that come in that like to use a Trading View, and so what we've done is we've created the indicator that we use for the Dex Atomic, and it slots nicely onto Trading View platform. Absolutely superb, and again they're smashing it with that. You have personal consults, and again step-by-step training. Absolutely everything you could possibly ever need to become a trader and to trade well, and that's only for $157 a month. But again, if you don't need all that and just want the Dex Atomic that's smashing it, it's $47 a month. I can't think of any other company, and let me know if there's another company out there that's giving away, literally giving away for $47 a proven system that works. Okay, I digress again. It's one of those days today, I think it must be midweek. Okay, well, my name's Paul. Thank you for joining me. All you traders out there, trade well, trade safely, more importantly, trade responsibly. Everybody else, stay safe, stay well, and we'll speak to you all tomorrow. Bye for now.